Hello Year 3, I hope you've got on well with Tuesday's and Thursday's lesson, and today we're going to be planning our own non-chronological report. You will need to make sure you use all the information from our elephant comprehension that we've done earlier in our reading activity. It might help you to have that next to you as you're planning today, to help you draw on ideas and also to have your summary sheet for all about elephants. So today we're going to think about planning our own. So we've got to look at the features we're including. So remember, our first job will be to have a title, and we will need to telling the reader what the title of the report is. And our example from our text this week was Wild Cats. What do you think the title could be for your elephant report? As you go through, you've got, once again, what you're trying to include, what that is, and examples from our Wild Cat text. So here, a general statement, this is the introduction. So what was our key question, our important fact, and some facts to go with that. So our Wild Cats was, have you ever wondered about the different types of cat around the world? What could your key question to interest your reader be about elephants? What then could you have as your opening sentences? So how could you change it from there are many species of cat might change to there are many species of elephant? See what you've got on your information sheets to include. Once you've decided on your introduction, you will need to pick what your subheadings are going to be. So remember, your subheadings are a structural feature you have to include. So we had lion, cheetah and puma as part of ours. What could your subheadings be here on your text? So you could write them at the top of each section so you know you've included them. Now, when we were doing our wild cats, there were 3 parts to each section, for each subheading, and they used technical, factual vocabulary. This is where you will need to make sure you've used your elephant comprehension to help you, because that was where all the technical, factual vocabulary will come from. So in the lion, it had about the habitat, where they live, the size of the animal, and what they hunt. And we made sure that we had some connectives to link the ideas. So the lion had surprisingly and also. What could you include in yours? Once you've planned this section, we're then going to move down. What could you have a picture of for yours? So in ours, there were 3 pictures. You might only decide on one. You might have, you're going to label your diagram. So are you going to have the different parts of an elephant? Once you've done this, the end of your report will be a conclusion, which is 1 or 2 sentences that reminds the reader about the important point. So you will need to make sure that you know what you're putting in your introduction to link back for your conclusion. So it could be, if your key question was, did you know that there were more than one type of elephant? Your conclusion, so next time you think about elephants, you can remember the different types they have. So it links to the key question. Good luck with your planning. If you need any help, don't forget to email the class email. Goodbye, Year 3.